Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to block a person on Discord. So let's start. First, open the Discord app. Whenever the app opens, it usually lands on your server's inbox. However, here you can see that it has landed on one of my DMs. But you can easily access your server by tapping on the three bars on top left corner. Now let me show you how you can easily come here from your server's inbox. Usually when you will open the app, it will land on this page. Now all you have to do is swipe right or tap the three bars on top left corner. Then tap on the text icon on top left corner and then it will take you to the inbox. Now swipe left and then tap on the username of your friend. Now swipe up a little bit and then tap on three dots on the right hand side. And then tap on block. And that is how you can block a person on Discord. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.